Hi, I am Taslimul Hasan, a professional web designer and developer. In this quick video, I will show you how you can find all the NameCheap coupon codes and offers on a single page. For getting all those offers, just scroll down to this video and click on the pinned comment link, and you will redirect it to this NameCheap page where you will find all the ongoing offers and coupons. If you click on the monthly coupon codes, you can see this is June 2024 and they have three offers on domain transfer, professional email, and the SSL. So you can easily copy these coupon codes and buy these offers. Also, you can get all other offers like shared hosting, and you can filter the offers by clicking here domain. You can check the domain offers, and on clicking on hosting you can get hosting offers. You will get WordPress hosting for 1 month free. The private email is 2 months free, and the dedicated hosting is only 40 USD per month, which is up to 40% off. So if you click on the security, you can get this product on promotional prices. If you click on the apps, there are some apps of Namecheap with 65% off free trial and 65% up to 65% off. So this is how you can get all the Namecheap coupons and offers in a single page. Just click on the link below on the pinned comment or on the description to get this offer. If this video is helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.